Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to my weekly vlog. So I'm gonna show you what do I do in my daily basis. Well, it's not from Monday to Sunday because I randomly started yesterday, which is Thursday, and today it's Friday, and today it's still freaking freezing. So outside the road already like frozen, and there's some ice obviously, and it's gonna be very slippery, but inshallah in this weekend the weather will be better, inshallah. And now I'm gonna go outside. I need to go to the library to return some books, and I'm gonna take the bus because there's no way I'm gonna cycle, and I need to do some shopping to the center. See you. It is sunny, but it is -3, and the whole week the temperature has dropped to the lowest, so it's the lowest of the year and it's freaking freezing. The tropical girl cannot handle this weather. I usually always cycle to the university because it's like only 15 to 20 minutes cycling, depends on how fast I cycle. But today and the last few days it's just too cold, and I find it's easier to just take tram and continue by walk, by foot I mean, because even while walking sometimes I feel like I cannot breathe, like my lungs are empty. So yeah, really slippery actually, very cold. I feel really sick of this weather. MashaAllah, that's so beautiful. I love snow. My love for snow is real, guys. White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes. Okay, I'm a bad singer and my lips obviously not white, but I'm in love with snow. I love snow, guys. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. I don't care with my bare face. Just super beautiful. I love snow. I started to fall in love with the weather again because of the snow. Because of the snow only. Some people who drive a car, they are like busy cleaning the window now. Hi guys, so I'm home now, and I've been to the library. It's a public library called Permeka here in Antwerp, and it's very close to the Chinatown. So I went there, but unfortunately I forgotten to charge my phone, so I couldn't film anything. And I went to one of the Asian supermarket there, and I bought some instant noodles. This one from Malaysia or Singapore. Yeah, from Singapore, and it's halal. We're gonna wait for 7 minutes before it's ready. It's Saturday. Ready to go, my love?
No. Let's go.
Do you think it's still cold or not? Not freeze anymore, right?
It's summer.
No, not for me. No way.
6 degrees.
Yeah, 6 degrees.
Panas.
It's not summer.
Panas banget.
Gila kamu.
Enak.
Now let's stroll around the beautiful city of Antwerp together. We randomly found a gallery on the way to Grote Markt, which is in the center of Antwerp, and it's just nice here for like photo location, right, sayang?
Oh, my wife is
Story for Instagram. Rood, groen. Red, green. Sayang, can you translate it?
What?
That one. Moet ik doen of trekken?
Do I have to push or pull?
Ben jij binnen of buiten?
Are you inside or outside?
Ben jij binnen of buiten? Nu.
Sekarang aku
Ya.
di dalam.
Nee,
Oh, di luar.
we zijn buiten.
Ini, lihat ini.
What is that, my love?
It's bare, but it's empty.
Art exhibition in Antwerp, and it's for free. It's located in a former church. Lizzie is there if you watch Game of Thrones. I don't understand art, and this is for me a bit strange. I'm a little bit scared. It was dark, and then when we enter, it started to play the music and the video. It's so scary. The whole art exhibition is located in the Zwarte Panther, the most famous square in Antwerp. And for more stories about it, you could check my other video, Newcomers in Antwerp, Belgium. Very beautiful. So now I'm standing in front of the most iconic landmark of Antwerp, which is called Brabo Fountain. Today we're going to our favorite dessert bar in Antwerp, Lubis. What are we gonna have?
Coffee.
And
Pancake.
that can. Oh. Having coffee and planning for a trip. Lekker! It's gonna be very tasty, right, my love? Our favorite pancake place.
Kamu mau?
It's makkelijk, yeah. We literally come to this place every weekend. This is our favorite place. Right, Sam? It's Sunday and we are going to the laundry. Sayang? Today it's Tuesday and I'm completely forgotten to record anything from yesterday, which is Monday, so I'm so sorry. But yesterday I just went to the university because I had my Dutch class and I hang out with my classmates, and that's all. And today I'm going to the university as well because I have my Dutch class again. And then I'm gonna meet someone from Muslim, if you know the website. So inshallah I'm gonna record as much as possible. So see you in the university, inshallah. Never have a rice inside of this kind of thing.
I think in Vietnam we do it like that.
Maybe, I don't know. Today dating with Laila.
Hi.
If I don't have class, I usually go to a cafe to do some work. It can be writing or editing my videos. Today, I also make a video call with a friend in Jakarta. Real Belgian weather has already back, but inshallah, hopefully, it brings the luck, brings the fortune, brings barakah. It's wet everywhere. What are we gonna do today?
We're going to a fashion. What is the fashion? That is fashion.
I found something really interesting in my classmate's house. Wow, what is this? It's owned by a non-Muslim. It's super cool, isn't it? We are celebrating a farewell party for one of my classmates from Peru. You know, it's for video. Hi Dilshat. Hi Malcolm.
Ini bagus. Mau apa? Mau bicara apa?
Lagi.
Cantik. Look. Cathedral.
Lagi yang.
No, terus.
No.
Apa di sini?